Welcome to your own Punya Pharma Coaching, Pharmacognosy Model Test, Alkaloid and Glycosides on questions. And the first question is in belladonna adulterate used एक्सेप्ट के अलावा बेलाडोना में 3 अडल्ट्रेट इनमें से यूज़ होते हैं, कौन सा नहीं यूज़ होता। एंड ऑप्शन ए फाइटोलाइटिक डिकांड्रा, ऑप्शन बी सोलेनम नाइग्रम, ऑप्शन सी एलियंट्स ग्लैंडुलोसा, ऑप्शन सी कोल्सिकम ऑटोमिनले। एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी, कोल्सिकम ऑटोमिनले इज नॉट यूज्ड adulterant. And the second question is tropane alkaloid determined by test, and the option is option A Vitali-Morin reaction, option B Klung test, option C Baljeet test, option C European reaction. So try your option, and the correct option is option A Vitali-Morin reaction. Tropane alkaloids for used Vitali-Morin test, and Klung test for alloy, Baljeet test for cardiglycoside, European test for alloy. Indian alloy in morphine percentage present, option A 10 to 16%, 9 to 12%, 15 to 17%, 16 to 70%. And the correct option is option B, 9 to 12% opium in morphine present, and 10 to 16% opium present, and 15 to 17% in Yugoslavian opium. And the question number 4, IPCA contain chemical except, option A valine, option B aspirin, option C metin, option D psychoprin. And the correct option is option B, aspirin. Cephalin, imetin, psychotrin used in chemical constituent IPCA. Aspirin is chemical constituent of Rauwolfia. Mahong, synonym of, option A Apedra, option B Colchicum, option C Aconite, option D Rauwolfia. And the correct option is option A Apedra. Colchicum, synonym of neck boys, meadow saffron. Aconite belong to family Leguminosae, Loganaceae, Ranunculaceae, Palmaceae. So try your option, and the correct option is option C, Ranunculaceae. Loganaceae is family to belong Noxomica, Leguminosae to Senna and other some drugs. Kurchi bark obtained from Withania somnifera, Strachus castanelli, option C Vertram album, option D Hollerina henna, Antidycentrica. And the correct option is option D, Holler henna, Antidycentrica, from obtained Kurchi bark, Withania somnifera from Ashwagandha, Strachus castanelli from Curare, Veratrum album from Vertram, which is Vertram is steroidal alkaloid. Calabar bean is synonym of, option A Noxomica, option B Vinca, option C Physiostigma, option D Curare. And the correct option is option C Physiostigma. Noxomica is crowfig, Vinca is periwinkle, Curare from chemical constituent D-tuberculin, which is drug used for muscle relaxed. Pilocarps belong to family, option Rutaceae, B Leguminosae, C Rubiaceae, D Sterculaceae. And the right answer is option A Rutaceae. Leguminosae from Senna, Rubiaceae from IPCA, it is trick IPCA Ruby, and the Sterculaceae is belong to family is coca drug. Pronacin is chemical constituent of wild cherry bark, Arjuna bark, Kurchi bark, mustard bark. And question 10's right answer is Option A, wild cherry bark. Isothiocyanate is mustard. S-glycoside example of it is very important question. And option A, senna, option B, samsonite, option D, cinegrain, and option D, aloe. Try your answer. And the correct answer is option C, cinegrain. Senna from O glycoside and aloe from C glycoside. It is major difference, and some question asks in pharma competition and exams. बिटर ग्लाइकोसाइड आर प्रेजेंट इन एक्सेप्ट, इन सभी में बिटर ग्लाइकोसाइड प्रेजेंट है एक ऑप्शन को छोड़कर. ऑप्शन ए जैंटियन, डी पिक्रोहिजा, सी अमाइग्लाइडिन, डी चिराटा. एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी अमाइग्लाइडिन. एंड द जैंटियन, पिक्रोहिजा, चिराटा इज in bitter glycoside is present. Question number 13. Lactone glycoside present in option A coumarin, option D cinegrain, option D rutin, option D citrus. And the correct option is option A coumarin in lactone glycoside present. And the next question is question number 14. Cardiac glycoside present except option D distals, ginkgo, thivetia, squill. Try your option. And the correct option is option B, ginkgo. Distals, thivetia, squill in cardiac glycoside is present. So it is important. O type anthraquinone glycoside for chemical test. O type anthraquinone glycoside के लिए chemical test कौन सा है? O type सेना इसमें बिलोंग करता है. So modified Brown Traeger, form test, Florscan's test. And the correct option is option B, Brown Traeger test. If they ask C type anthraquinone glycoside in which alloy present, so modified Brown Traeger test is right answer. Cardiac glycoside for test accept option Lieberman-Burchard test, B legal test, C sodium picret test, D Keller-Killarney test. So the correct answer is answer C, sodium picret test. Lieberman-Burchard, legal, Keller-Killarney, Zimmermann, Baljeet test for cardiac glycoside, sodium picret test for cyanogenetic glycoside. Flavonoid glycoside for chemical test. This is also important question. Sinoda test, Zimmermann test, hemolysis test, form test. Try your option. And the correct option is option A, Sinoda test. So Zimmermann test for cardiac glycoside, hemolysis test for saponin form. Stas-Otto method used for isolation of volatile oil, glycoside, resin, gum. It is important, Stas-Otto method. So it is, try your option. And the right answer is option B, glycoside. Indian alloy is aloe pyrox, aloe peri, aloe barbarinus, europloin. Try your option. And the correct option is option B, aloe peri. सो ये आप याद रख सकते हो, पैरी एक लड़की है उसके नाम से इंडियन. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज एलोए पैरी. एलोए फैमिली, एलोए बिलोंग टू फैमिली. सो द लेग्यूमिनेसी, रुटेसी, लिलिएसी, पॉलीगोनेसी. ट्राई योर ऑप्शन. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, लिलिएसी. पॉलीगोनेसी family to belong important drug is rhubarb. So thank you for watching. It is last question 20. All 20 questions are based on alkaloid and glycoside pharmacognosy. So next time we discuss volatile oil, resin, gum and others. So keep watching, subscribe this channel.